at any point, being into a relationship is different, and making it conversion into the marriage
Correct.
is really different.
पीयूष, मैं सच बोलूं तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था कि वी आर इन लव, क्योंकि 11th स्टैंडर्ड और 9th स्टैंडर्ड में love could also be infatuation.
Yeah, of course, that's it.
So I didn't know whether it was infatuation or whether it was real love. But as time went by, we wanted to be with each other and each other's company more and more. Of course, it was not possible because of restraints from her parents, my parents, studies, school, this, that, and the other, college. So वो धीरे धीरे बढ़ता गया. And then we realized that yes, this is just not love. This is not just not infatuation, this is love. She had made up her mind that if I get married, I get married only to this man, otherwise I'm not getting married. So, उस उम्र में, without knowing more than 5 boys in her life, she decided that she wanted to get married to me. And that was serious. So then we decided that, okay, we'll hold on till such time we are marriageable age and we are matured enough to understand what marriage will be. Or what the term marriage means. It's a commitment for life. You can't fool around after that. जितना भी fooling किया था, fooling किया हो गया, खत्म. Thank you. But वो शादी के बाद जो एक responsibility आती है, वो responsibility बहुत जरूरी है, कठिन है. मैंने कहता हूँ it's a simple, कि ठीक है, 2 लोग शादीशुदा हो गए, घर पे आ गए, उसके बाद क्या? You have to sustain it. And now we are 47 years into marriage. 47 years. It's not a bloody joke. आजकल के ज़माने में अगर 2 साल भी टिक जाए तो बहुत है. 47 years and prior to that 6 years. So we're talking about 53 years togetherness. Hey, I'm not saying कि it's a smooth sail all around. No marriage is a smooth sail. If somebody says, no, we don't have any problems, this all humbug. है, बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स थे, ऊपर नीचे, ये सब कुछ हुआ. मेरे करियर में भी हुआ, मेरे बिजनेस में भी हुआ, शादी में भी हुआ, बच्चे हुए, और हमारे बच्चे दोनों बेटियां 29 तक they were born. I was 29 and she was 27. तो वो खत्म हो गई, वो सिलसिला खत्म हो गया. And I was very, very happy with two girls. I hit the ceiling. I mean, I couldn't be happier now. Even then, the anesthetist used to, twice he came and told me in my ears, Shishir, लड़की हुई है. मैं बोला, जोर से बोलना, लड़की हुई है. मुझे लड़की ही चाहिए थी. So I was very, very happy. Both of us were very, very happy getting married. That was a different time. हमें पता भी नहीं था कि हम ठीक है, प्यार में है, नहीं है. I don't know. हम लोग साथ में रहते थे. शाम को I used to take my cycle, wheel my cycle and drop her home. She used to stay in car. Okay. तो वो चुपके हम लोग किया करते थे because her parents were not really in favor of.
Any interesting or crazy moment of that time while you were doing this meeting, if you want to share?
Yeah. जब पिक्चर जाना था हमें after school in uniform, वो एक बड़ी मजेदार बात थी कि हम गाड़ी में बैठ के, of course I had a car also at that time.
Now when you're saying you're a blast mood, I can't believe that. Having a flat.
I had a car, I had a flat, I had a girlfriend.
Living the
life, yes. So we used to go for picture films and we used to be damn scared. Because वो adult film के लिए जाना school uniform में थोड़ी सी कठिनाइयाँ बहुत थी. And how to get in, how to show what card and all that. No, we didn't know. We were school students. Yeah, come on. Parents were not very favor of her getting married to me or seeing me and things like that. It's a very orthodox, small community, the Saraswats. It's a very conservative community. Till I asked for official permission. When her parents were not here, they were in Singapore. Her brother-in-law and sister came to stay, elder sister. I built that courage and I said, yeah, I must go now and talk to them. So I went and I asked, can I take Lata for a film? Yeah. इतनी आसानी से उन्होंने हाँ कह दिया. मैंने बोला ये कुछ क्या है, कुछ गड़बड़ है, कुछ लग रहा है. So she said, no, they are cool. Then the parents came, they came to know that we had gone out. फिर वो बैठ के उनको समझाया कि ऐसा ऐसा है, क्योंकि my parents were involved with theatre in Mumbai. It was called IPTA, IPTA, Mumbai. My father was the treasurer of IPTA. My mother used to act in IPTA. And there used to be a lot of parties at home. And a lot of halabaloo, shouting, dancing, drinking, smoking, all that. So her parents were a little worried. कि नहीं ये शर्मा फैमिली में ये सब कुछ होता है and we are not from that structure, from that class, from that culture. But धीरे धीरे फिर I learned the language. I stayed in Saraswat Colony. I still stay in Saraswat Colony. धीरे धीरे मैंने वो सीख ली भाषा. And I used to talk to them. And suddenly, after marriage, of course, then I became the blue-eyed boy of their family. And it was a great feeling, पहले हम चोरी चुपके सब कुछ किया करते थे. गाड़ी मेरे पास थी. Then I changed my car. I had a Volkswagen Beetle. So I was called the ball-bearing man. My wife worked as an air hostess in Indian Airlines at that time. 15 महीने के लिए, before we got married. She did her training in Delhi. I went to Delhi. So my parents were very broad-minded at that time. And then, of course, her parents also then accepted the fact that